become a software engineer. So you want to become a software engineer, but you're not sure where to start. No degree in computer science? No tech experience? No problem. In this video, we'll walk you through the full path, step by step, from beginner to hired. Whether you're still in school, changing careers, or just curious, this guide is for you. Let's talk about how to become a software engineer in 2025 and beyond. Software engineering is more than just writing code. It's the entire process of building, testing, launching, and maintaining software. That includes planning, designing, debugging, and updating software systems over time. Software engineers work on both the front end, the part users see, and the back end, the systems that make everything function. It's one of the most in-demand careers today, and one of the most versatile. You'll find software engineers in tech, finance, healthcare, even in government. And yes, it pays well. But more on that later. Are software engineers in demand? The short answer? Yes, very. In the US, the software development field is expected to grow by 21% by 2029. That's more than 4 times the national average. That's over 300,000 new jobs. And that's just in the US. Globally, the demand is even higher. And it's not just developers. The industry is also growing fast in areas like cybersecurity, blockchain, AI, and cloud engineering. Step 1. Learn software engineering fundamentals. Your journey starts with learning the fundamentals. This means learning how software is built, tested, and maintained from the ground up. Most people start by learning how to code. Popular beginner languages include Python, HTML and CSS, JavaScript. You don't need to master everything at once. Start with one language and grow from there. But software engineering isn't just coding. It's about understanding data structures and algorithms, learning about the software development lifecycle, using tools like Git for version control, following Agile or Scrum project management. You can learn all of this through online courses, boot camps, college degrees, or self-teaching using free resources. If you're switching careers and need to learn fast, a coding bootcamp might be your best bet. Choose a specialization or certification. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to specialize. Software engineering is a huge field, so ask yourself, what do you want to focus on? Some common paths include full-stack web development, mobile app development, DevOps, game development, cloud engineering, AI and machine learning. Certifications can also help you stand out. Here are a few popular ones. Certified Software Development Professional, IEEE. Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate, AWS Certified Developer, Google Associate Cloud Engineer, or again, boot camps. Many modern coding boot camps are tailored to these specialties and include career coaching too. Step 3. Learn software engineering tools. Knowing how to code is great, but knowing how to work like a software engineer is just as important. That means getting familiar with the tools that professionals use every day. Here are a few to start with. Git and GitHub for version control. Visual Studio Code or other text editors. Jira or Trello for project tracking. Docker for deployment. Postman for API testing. These tools help teams collaborate, track bugs, review code, and launch faster. You don't need to master them all on day one, but the more you practice, the more natural they'll become. Step 4. Build and share your projects. Now it's time to show what you can do. Start building real projects, websites, apps, APIs, anything that solves a real problem. Then, post your work publicly. Platforms like GitHub let you showcase your code to potential employers. Think of your GitHub like a portfolio. It proves your skills even if you don't have formal job experience. And the more you build, the better you get. Step 5. Keep learning new digital skills. Tech changes fast. If you want to be a great software engineer, you'll need to commit to lifelong learning. That means staying up to date on new languages, new frameworks, new tools, and new industries. Keep taking courses, attend conferences or meetups, subscribe to tech blogs and YouTube channels, and don't limit yourself to just software topics. Understanding product design, data science, digital marketing, or cybersecurity can make you a more well-rounded developer and a better teammate. Where do software engineers work? Here's the best part. Software engineers are needed everywhere. You could work in tech startups, finance, healthcare, government, education, e-commerce, even gaming and entertainment. You can work remote, you can freelance, or you can join a large company with global reach. The job is flexible and the opportunities are huge. Can you become a software engineer without a degree? Yes, absolutely. While some jobs ask for a degree, many care more about what you can do. If you have the skills and a portfolio to prove it, you can get hired without a 4-year computer science degree. Bootcamp grads, self-taught programmers, and career switchers get hired every day. What matters most is your ability to learn, your problem-solving mindset, and the work you've actually done. Let's recap the path to becoming a software engineer. Learn the fundamentals, including at least one programming language. Choose a specialty or earn a certification. Learn professional tools used by real engineers. Build and post real projects. Keep learning and adapting as tech evolves. If you can do those 5 things, you're on the path to a career in software engineering. Don't wait for permission. Start building. Start coding. Pour, and take it one step at a time. Thanks for watching CareerBudee. Subscribe for more career breakdowns like this. And let us know in the comments, what career should we cover next?